Good day everyone. My name is Dominic Imuhado and my topic is combating health misinformation on social media. So what is health misinformation? Health misinformation is a false or misleading health-related information common on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Then can spread quickly and influenced by many people. So misinformation includes wrong advice about treatment, vaccines, diet, or disease. Emphasize how social media makes it easy for false information to go viral, even if it's not scientifically proven. So why it is a problem? So it is a problem because it leads to poor health decision, causes fear and confusion, can delay proper medical treatment, may increase disease spread. So discuss the real world impact. For example, people may avoid vaccines or truly unsafe remedies. This can worsen health condition and even put communities at risk. Then it is the common types of health misinformation. First is fake cures or miracle treatment. Next is anti-vaccine claims. Next is misleading nutrition advice and conspiracy theories. So many posts promise quick cures or exaggerate claims without evidence. Some content is designed to attract attention rather than provide accurate information. So how misinformation is spread? First is in social media, promote viral content. Next is influencers sharing unverified info. Next is emotional or shocking posts spread faster. And lack of fact checking. So highlight that people tend to share content without verifying it. Emotional posts, fear, anger, hope are more likely to be shared, making misinformation spread rapidly. So how to identify reliable information? First is check the source with WHO, DOH, and CDC. Next is look for scientific evidence. Verify author credentials. And next is cross-check with trusted website. So teach how to evaluate information. Reliable sources are usually from health organizations or professionals. Encourage comparing multiple sources before believing the claim. And it is the red flags on misinformation. First is too good to be true claims, no scientific references, clickbait headlines, personal testimonials only. So if the post promises instant result or uses dramatic language, it is likely misleading. Personal stories are not always evidence-based. So this is the role of healthcare professionals. First is provide accurate health education, correct false information, promote evidence-based practices, engage with the public online. So healthcare workers like nurses play a key role in guiding people. They should actively share correct information and help patients understand what is true or false. So in conclusion, health misinformation is dangerous but preventable. Everyone has a role in stopping it. Always verify before believing or sharing. And that's all. Thank you.